Determine the reaction at the support for the beam shown. So we have the simply supported beam na nagkikarry ito ng trapezoidal load. So first, identify natin yung resisting force. Dito sa hinge, may dalawang nag-act dito ng forces. So the A sub Y and the A sub X. Dito sa B, may roller. So may isang vertical reaction which is the B sub Y. So ang gagawin natin dito ay i-separate natin to into three shapes. Dalawang triangle, isa, dalawa, tsaka isang rectangle. Next is, locate natin yung resultant sa tatlong shape. So, dito yung isa, nasa gitna, yung isa, tsaka andi dito. So, then, mamili ka kung saan ka mag-moment. So, mag-moment ako dito sa B. Equals to 0, lahat ng clockwise is positive. So, again guys, kapag kumukuha tayo ng resultant, para lang tayong kumukuha ng area ng shape nila. So, first is yung A sub Y, yung moment arm niya is 10 plus 30 plus 10 plus 30 plus 10. Magiging 50. Next is itong triangle. So, minus kasi papuntang B. So, magiging counterclockwise, 1/2. Base niya ay 10. Height niya is 1.5. So, yung moment arm niya is, since dito na lulukit yung resultant niya, papuntang dito, papunta sa support sa B, so magiging 1/3 of 10 plus 30 plus 10 equals 40. Minus itong rectangle, magiging 1.5 times 30. Yung moment arm niya ay 1/2 of 30 plus yung 10 dito. Last is itong triangle na to. 1/2, yung base natin is 10. Yung height is 1.5. Yung moment arm is 2/3 of 10. 2/3 of 10 equals to 0. So, calculate natin. X times 50 minus 0.5, 10 times 1.5, 1/3 of 10 plus 30, 1.5 times 30 times 30 over 2, 10 minus 2.5, 1/2, 10, 1.5, 2 times 10 over 3. So, it is equal sa, so ang result ito ay 30. Isabay natin is 30 pips. So, ito na yung answer sa, so ito na yung reaction sa A. Tsaka yung A sub X natin is, since walang nag-act na horizontal force dito sa beam, magiging automatically 0. So, to get the vertical reaction dito sa point B, we simply summation forces vertical, upward positive. So, since we have the value of A sub Y, 30 minus 1.5 times 30, tsaka yung dalawang triangle, iisa lang natin, multiply lang natin ng 2. So, 1/2 times yung base natin is 10. Since the same lang man sila ng shape at saka yung height, saka yung base. So, yung height natin is 1.5. So, multiply natin ng 2 equals to, plus B sub Y. So, B sub Y is equals to 30 minus 1.5 times 30 minus 0.5 times 10 times 1.5 times 2 equals to 0. As b sub y equals to 0, magiging 30. So, 30 kips. Ito na yung sagot sa, ito na yung reaction sa b sub y. That's it.
What the dog doing?